recap, Coco was at a doctor 2 weeks ago. They found a heart murmur or a broken valve or whatever with her. She also felt like her stomach isn't doing great, so she started on probiotics. Her stomach is a mess from the history of swallowing things, so there's a lot of scar tissue and inflammation in there normally. She was ordered to lose weight, and she has done that by cutting out treats. She's been so good about that. Her ideal weight right now is 265, and she's pretty much there. The doctor thought maybe a little less, but when we go through sicknesses with Coco, she can't afford to lose a lot if she's at 255. So 265 is good for her, and she is there. So the probiotics weren't working because she slept most of the days. I took her back to the vet yesterday, and I'm glad I did. And so she was checked out. She was given another hormone shot because the hormone activity is really bad. I normally ignore it, but it's not healthy for her. And so she had an ultrasound, and her stomach was really active. I guess that means not good for her. She was prescribed a antibiotic for her tummy, which worked before. She was on it after her surgery. We were also given a tonic that's made in-house. It has vitamin E, taurine, lutein, and omega 369 oil and flax oil. So that'll be put on her food once a day. She's on heart meds right now, so those have increased slightly. So she gets the heart meds once a day. Pretty much with Coco, since I've had her, we just tackle the symptoms as they come along. It's always been her stomach that gives her trouble. So if that stomach antibiotic doesn't work, we gotta take her to get a specialty ultrasound, I guess, to see if she swallowed something. Remember when I took Newman home from the vet and she was just wild, I had to strip her cage. She was chewing stuff up she had no interest in before, and she's throwing things around, so her cage was totally stripped. She was so jealous of Newman's collar. So I'm hoping in that time she didn't swallow something. She was chewing stuff up. She was just crazy in her cage. Just wild, yelling and throwing and eating, and it was all day. So let's hope more better news coming, and the antibiotic works and she's good to go.
This is the life of Bobo Bobo. This is the life of Bobo Bobo. This is the life of Bobo Bobo.